If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, stop. Before you waste months of effort with zero results, let me tell you the truth. Some niches are so bad for beginners that they're almost impossible to succeed in, and I'll show you real examples of why. So, if you don't want to waste your time, watch this till the end. Many people jump into YouTube without knowing which niches actually work and which ones are a complete waste of time. I've seen so many beginners put in months, even years, of hard work, only to end up frustrated with little to no growth. That's why today, I'm going to tell you about the worst YouTube niches for beginners. Avoid these, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and effort. Niche number 1, faceless motivation channels. Faceless motivation channels were once a gold mine, but those days are gone. These are the channels that take clips of Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, or Andrew Tate, mix them with stock footage, and add an inspiring background track. They used to perform well, but now YouTube has cracked down on these channels hard. Why you should avoid this niche. This niche is oversaturated with thousands of channels doing the exact same thing. YouTube's algorithm no longer pushes these videos because they are repetitive and offer little original value. Monetization is also a big problem. Most of these videos get demonetized for reused content or copyright issues. And lastly, these videos lack real audience connection. Why would someone subscribe when there's nothing unique? What to do instead? If you love self-improvement content, consider creating a channel where you share your personal journey. Talk about your own struggles, experiences, and lessons learned. Viewers connect more with real people than with faceless recycled content. Another option is to dive into self-improvement with a unique twist, like reviewing self-help books or breaking down success principles with real-life case studies. Basic tech reviews. Tech review channels might seem like a great idea. After all, who doesn't love watching unboxings and gadget reviews? But if you're starting from scratch, this niche is a nightmare. Why you should avoid this niche. The tech review space is heavily dominated by massive creators like MKBHD and Unbox Therapy, who have been doing this for over a decade. These big creators get early access to devices, making it impossible for a beginner to compete. Plus, buying new gadgets for reviews is incredibly expensive. If you're just starting out, you might not have the budget to buy a new iPhone or laptop every time a new one drops. On top of that, search rankings for tech keywords are brutally competitive, meaning your videos are likely to get buried. What to do instead? Instead of reviewing the latest flagship devices, focus on a smaller, more specific niche. For example, you could make content on budget tech, like the best laptops under $500 for students. Another great alternative is software and AI tool reviews. These require no investment and are in high demand. Apps, online tools, and AI software reviews are growing fast, and they're much easier to rank for in search. Gaming Let's Plays. Gaming content is massive on YouTube, but that doesn't mean it's easy to break into. Many people think they can just play their favorite game, hit record, and gain thousands of views, but the reality is far different. Why you should avoid this niche. Gaming is one of the most oversaturated niches on YouTube. There are millions of channels doing the exact same thing, playing games and reacting. Unless you're either incredibly skilled, have a unique personality, or provide something different, it's nearly impossible to stand out. Ranking for gaming content is also tough because big channels dominate search results. Monetization can be another issue, as gaming content generally has lower ad rates compared to other niches. What to do instead? Instead of generic Let's Play videos, niche down and offer something valuable. Create tutorials on improving skills in a specific game, like how to rank up fast in Valorant. Another approach is to focus on mods, Easter eggs, or deep dive content that brings a fresh perspective to popular games. Game-specific content, like Minecraft mods or GTA roleplay stories, tends to perform much better than just playing a game and reacting. Generic Make Money Online channels. The Make Money Online niche attracts a lot of attention, but it's also one of the worst for beginners. While some channels succeed, most fail due to lack of originality and trust. Why you should avoid this niche. The problem with this niche is that most videos just recycle the same advice. Take surveys, download this app, do affiliate marketing, etc. People are tired of hearing these methods, especially when they don't actually work. This leads to low engagement, poor audience retention, and ultimately, a dead channel. YouTube also closely monitors this niche due to misleading claims, which can result in demonetization or even strikes. What to do instead? If you're truly interested in online earning, focus on real methods with proof. Document your own experiences testing different side hustles. Instead of saying, make $500 per day, show a real case study of you actually trying a method and the results you got. Niching down to specific side hustles, like AI-generated content, freelance opportunities, or print-on-demand businesses, can also help you stand out. Conclusion. Now that you know which YouTube niches are a waste of time, you might be wondering, what are the best ones? What should you start instead? Click on my next video, where I break down the most profitable, beginner-friendly YouTube niches that are actually working right now. These niches have high growth potential, lower competition, and great monetization opportunities. Don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what niche you were thinking about starting.